How did the sculpture come to be? Well, I was approached by Lord March and BMW to produce a sculpture to commemorate 100 years of BMW, particularly their achievements in motorsport. So the idea was 3 cars that epitomise their racing pedigree, the Mia Miglia, the F1 and Le Mans. 3 forms needed to be put together to show an expression of speed and dynamics. That underway, we got together with Littlehampton Welding, and particularly with Bill Tustin and Steve Horrod, and their input in it was absolutely critical.